see. Oh my God!
What?
There's a hole in the block.
Yeah.
There, look. At the front.
Oh.
What a wonderful world.
Service engine. Already got a little mechanic in there working right now. You don't hear him?
Posso nem dança, tá? É só um bocadinho, tem um bocadinho de vapor só, quer dizer, não é para ver. Só um bocadinho de vapor, quase nada. A tampa está em cima.
What was amazing is he drove it in.
Yeah, it's fucking phenomenal.
It was wild. He fucking drove the fucker in.
Oh shit.
Yeah.
Yoo-hoo!
All right. Look, we said we was going to send it to the moon.
Yeah,
we did. We can see pistons. Now it's time for a 180.
Yeah, wait, there's one in your dad's garage, I'm sure. I swear I saw one under the rack.
We have hollings. Oh, I see something bent. Hold that,
look, if you
Hold
look
that,
in the hole, there's the...
Looks like that hose came undone and it sprayed a whole bunch of stuff up here. I don't know what that is, but it's definitely overheating. Rats.
Okay, that's not supposed to. I know what's wrong with it. Ain't got no gas in it. I may not be a smart man, but I know something's fucked up when I see it. Okay, that's not supposed to. I know what's wrong with it. Ain't got no gas in it.
Bit of barbecue sauce to get it started.
When I first got my CDL, I was like, yay! I got my CDL, yay! Now, I'm just like, fucking why? Fuck me.
Customer states it's a misfire. Oh shit.
Oh, it's not the air compressor. Oh, that's fucked up.
Today's episode of Customer States, I feel a little bit of vibration when I'm driving. Let's see. What is that? Flat spot. Oh my gosh.
Turn it more the other way.
So this guy just tied his tree down through the windows of his car. Kelly's over there watching. It's gonna be fun to watch him get in a minute. Oh! Oh!
You just figured it out.
Uh-oh.
What did I just do?
Oh shit. What did I do? I'm just in here taking selfies, don't mind me. He's gonna go through the truck! He's gonna climb in through the truck. He's not even gonna undo it. Is anyone watching? Is anyone watching? I don't fucking give a shit. Good for you, dude. Own it. Own your mistake.
What a wonderful world.